Hi, my name is Aaron and I'm the director of the Mending Lines video series. Thanks for your interest in this tool. Before I get too far, I want to tell you about the organization behind it all. Family Lines' mission is to fight absence in fatherhood with intentional presence for the restoration of family lines near and around the world. The main strategies we use are facilitated wilderness experiences, workshops, and curriculum designed to allow families to fight absence physically, emotionally, and spiritually right in their own living rooms and communities. As a tool, Mending Lines is a story-based documentary series designed to allow families to follow the stories of the characters on screen and utilize that as a primer to engage their own family line off the screen. Each Mending Lines video series consists of a collection of video chapters ranging from 7 to 14 minutes long that go along with a facilitator guide and a personal workbook that will allow the group to walk through it and explore the stories together as well as individually. The goal of this story-based curriculum is to move from the head and into the heart, and that's what story does. We're excited that your family line, or possibly your small group, is taking on this story-based challenge. And we are praying that we'll bring that next level of restoration in your story and in your relationship with God. Thank you.